What's up, guys? Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. And today I am opening my keto box. So I think this is the third keto box that I have gotten. It's either the first one or the second one. But I subscribed to the keto box because whenever I transitioned over to this high-fat, low-carb lifestyle, this keto lifestyle, you can go to the grocery store and find, meats, vegetables, butter, ghee, MCT oil, fats, healthy stuff like that. But because the keto movement is sort of new, I don't feel like all of the snack foods are caught up yet. If you'll remember when clean eating and organic and paleo and like all of these lifestyles sort of come out, it takes a while for the retailers and the companies to catch on and produce snack foods. So I specifically subscribe to this keto box because it's hard to find snacks locally in my town. So let's see what we've got in here today. So, all right. First thing is these Parm Crisp, and these are 100% Parmesan cheese in everything flavor. I've actually had these before. They have these at my local Lowe's Foods, and these are really good. They're also really expensive. I actually got two of these little packets. Cave Fat Packs. I do not know what this is. I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Wild Minis cocoa butter. It just looks like these little. All right, the People's Choice beef sticks in sea salt and pepper. Pitted green olives from Sicily. Pork clouds in rosemary and sea salt. This monk fruit sweetener, which I've seen monk fruit sweetener by Whole Earth. Whole Earth at Starbucks has a stevia monk fruit blend. I've never actually seen or heard of this one. It's called Lakanto. And it actually says that it is autism approved, which is exciting because I have a couple of friends who have kids with autism, so I definitely want to share that with them. Okay, and then garlic and herb fit brine. And then I've got this Greek Goodness Superfoods dressing. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to try all of these things, but overall I'm a little disappointed with this box because there's nothing sweet in here other than this monk fruit sweetener. I already have Swerve and Truvia, so I have sweetener here. I don't know. I'm not sure. I really like to try keto things that are sweet, like keto for carb lovers. Like that's what I want in my box. I'm gonna create a box subscription that's gonna be traditionally carby foods, but it's gonna be keto macros, low carb, low sugar. That's what I'm looking for. This is really overall a super savory box. And I'm not sure that I'll subscribe to this again next month because, like I said, I'm a little disappointed. But let me go through and try these things, and I will make my final decision. All right, so the Parm Crisp. These are 100% Parmesan. 3 Crisp has 80 calories, 5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 7 grams of protein. So pretty good. Pretty good macros on this. So this is 1 little serving per baggie. You can see these are it's just cheese and like everything seasoning. These are really good. Really tasty on their own. They would also be good to use with dips. Those are really good. All right. Let's try the olives. So olives in general are pretty keto friendly. Let me just look and see if I can find out what makes these special. I'm not sure. 55 calories. No, wait. Serving size is 5 pieces. 5 pieces has 27 calories, 3 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein. So these olives are a good fat snack. They're actually kind of plain. Maybe because they don't have the pimento? I don't know. They feel like they're missing the pimento. All right, so let's try these beef sticks in sea salt and pepper. Where's the... I actually don't see nutrition information for these. It doesn't have nutrition information on here. I guess I'll have to look that up. These are small batch, locally owned. Yesterday was arm day. I guess I didn't go heavy enough, so I can't open any of this stuff. Scissors. Okay. Now, when I was a kid, I used to love me some Slim Jim. So, if this tastes like a Slim Jim, I'm going to be excited. Okay. It's good. It's definitely sea salt and pepper. If you like that pepper flavor, I feel like the pepper is more prominent than the sea salt. Pretty good though. Okay. So those are pretty good. Actually, I really like this. All right. Let's try the pork clouds. I love me some pork rinds. You can get pork rinds just about anywhere. But one thing that I've learned is that a lot of pork rinds have sugar. They have maltodextrin, which sort of acts like sugar in your body. So when you check the ingredients, you want to make sure that it says pork skin, salt, and that's pretty much it. So the macros on this one whole package is 100 calories, 6 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 12 protein. So these are a really, really macro-friendly snack. Let's see how the rosemary and sea salt. I don't think I've tried a lot of pork rinds. I don't think I've ever actually had rosemary pork rinds. So these are fancy. That's different. I don't think I'm a fan of the rosemary. It tastes kind of weird. I like pork rinds that are original flavor. I like to dip them in pimento cheese. I like barbecue flavor, like normal chip flavors. I'm not really feeling that rosemary one. All right, so let's see what this is. This is some little cocoa butter, and this also doesn't have the nutrition facts on it. Just kind of annoying. Keto box should put the nutrition facts in here. I don't even know what these are. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to eat this or if I'm supposed to, like, cook with it. That's going to be a no from me, dog. I'm not sure what those are for. They do not taste good. Not at all. Okay, so next I'm going to try this Cave Fat Pack. And this says there's 4 servings per container, 9 grams of fat, 3 carbs, which is a little high for me, 1 gram of protein, organic coconut milk powder, organic stevia, and salt. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It says, eat like candy, put it in your coffee, sprinkle on anything, fatten your shakes, live on Mars. For best results, use warm liquid to dissolve. So since I've already had my coffee today, and I actually had my favorite recipe. It's like this keto frappuccino called Mermaid Tears, and it's on my to-do list to make a video and show you guys how I make my Mermaid Tears keto frappuccino. Why can't I open any of these packages today? Okay. All right. So since it shows here, see, it shows right there on there. This guy's eating it with a spoon. So that's how I'm going to try it. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, okay, this is weird. It looks like sugar, but it smells like coconut oil. Right, here we go. I'm nervous. I'm just gonna eat a little bit. Okay. Nope. I don't recommend that you eat it with a spoon, but this is gonna make some yummy bulletproof coffee. For sure. This is gonna be really good blended up with coffee. And it is sweet. So far, this is the winner so far. Okay, so then I'm obviously not going to try the fit brine, even though I do have some chicken that I'm gonna brine. I'm gonna go ahead after I finish this video and stick some chicken breast in this with some water, and then I'll make that tonight for dinner. But I do want to just try this monk fruit sweetener and see what it tastes like. So this is non-GMO, 0 additives, vegan, gluten-free, 0 aftertaste, 1-to-1 sugar replacement. 0 calories, 0 glycemic. So that's good. Let me see if I think it tastes like real sugar. And if it really doesn't have an aftertaste, because some of them say they don't have an aftertaste, and then they actually do. Okay, so it's not pure white, which is interesting. It's sort of like a beige flavor, beige color. You can see its little crystals. Maybe you can't see that. I don't know. It's pretty good. It's not super sweet. It's not as sweet as stevia. So I know there's quite a few people who don't like stevia. So monk fruit is a good option, good alternative for that. There's also xylitol and, like I mentioned before, something called Swerve, which I like. But this is a good option for somebody because it's not quite as sweet as Swerve or stevia. So monk fruit sweetener. What does it say? Oh, with erythritol. So it does have erythritol in it. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so overall, oh, and this, I forgot this one, the Superfood Dressing. So this one is 2 tablespoons, has 125 calories, 13 grams of fat, 1 carb, 0 protein. Greek goodness. So I do like Greek dressing. I like salads. I normally use ranch or blue cheese, but I do like Greek dressing. This will be, if this tastes good, it would also be a good, let's see, how am I going to try this? Yep, that's pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So, organic, raw, vegan, gluten-free, Greek goodness, superfood dressing. So that would be good on salads, Greek salads. I love Greek salads. I think this would also be good on chicken. So there's that. All right. So would I buy this keto box again? I don't think so. I think next month I want to try something different. So I know there's lots of other subscription boxes. This one I was overall a little disappointed in. Like, you know, everybody knows that keto has pork rinds and olives and like, I don't know. I don't feel like any of this stuff is super groundbreaking. But, you know, a couple of things were really tasty. So I don't know. It's worth a shot. I'll put my link below if you want to try out Keto Box. I've been really pleased with the other ones. The last one I got was full of like chocolate, like chocolate flavored things. And that was my favorite box. But I have such a sweet tooth. So a little disappointed in this box, and I'll probably try something different next time. But anyway, I hope you subscribe. If you made it to the end of this video, please subscribe and comment below with what your favorite thing is or what you want to try, or just let me know what your favorite keto snack is. That would actually be really helpful. So till next time.